Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tiffany again. So, kung di ka pa nagsusubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na down below and click the notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Today's vlog, meron tayong makeup tutorial na gagawin at ang title ay ang Universe or Galaxy Makeup Tutorial. As you can see naman dyan sa title, and medyo mahirap-hirap ang ating gagawin. So, let's get started. Simulan na natin. At ang unang gagamitin natin ay ito, Maybelline Fit Me. Ayan, matte and poreless. Ewan ko kung nag-focus yun, guys, ha. At i-apply lang natin siya sa face.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
At i-blend na nga natin.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Then, the next step, gagamitin natin ito, Jaclyn Hill Palette, Morphe. At ang gagamitin nating shade first ay itong color black na ito. Ito.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
And then, the second color na gagamitin natin ay itong violet na may konting shimmer.
Come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Turn on, i-blend out natin ito between those two colors.
On we'll go. life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing.
Then, next step, maglalagay ulit tayo ng kulay black.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The next step, magkakabit ulit tayo ng violet. At ang medyo kulang-kulang pa na kulay, dadagdagan natin yun.
I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Pagkatapos nun, lalagyan na natin siya ng color blue na may shimmer.
No need to run and hide, no, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. Helps us break each other's hearts. Helps us break each other's hearts.
The next step ay magkakabit na tayo ng mga stars yan. Gagamitin natin to parang may shimmer na parang highlighter at gagamitan natin siya ng may toothpick na may cotton. Babasahin lang natin siya ng konti.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Isasat ko lang yung kabila kong face and I'll be right back. There you have it, guys. This is the final look and this is the normal makeup and this is the
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video and please give me a big thumbs up and share this video for others to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kung di ka pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na down below and click the notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago ako upload na video. See you to the next video, guys! Bye!